Hi. So if you have heard or came across the word AIDLC or Spec Kit, so this is the right place then you have come in. And I'll explain everything, the missing things through just one word. Yes, and that word is harness. Once you get this, everything else clicks. So let's talk about it. So if you have heard, right, think about a horse harness. The horse is the raw power here, which is strong, fast, right? And it can pull huge weight. But without a harness strapped onto it, you can't actually steer it, hook it to a cart, or make it to do any useful work in any controlled way. The harness doesn't make any horse stronger. It actually makes the horse useful, that is, usable. An AI model like Claude is the horse, raw intelligence, but a model by itself can't open your files, run your terminal, or touch your actual project. The harness is the tool that straps the AI onto the computer and give it hands. Like it can access the file, terminal access, and it has the ability to actually do things, code, or just do anything apart from just chatting. So AI model is actually kind of horse. You can I'm just trying to explain through this analogy, and harness can be the straps for it. So the straps are making that horse or the AI model useful by allowing it to access the file, access the terminal, and ability to do things like code or like accessing the code editor, right? And like Claude Code could be a harness. So you've probably already used these things, right? Claude Code, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Kiro, Codex, opencode, the same idea, right? But with different flavors. So they are all harness that lives in our terminals or lives inside our VS Code, right? Or Cursor, which is a whole code editor itself, which is built around being a harness. So different harness, same underlying AI brain, right? Like different car models and different dashboards, but same engine possibilities underneath it. So that's all about it. Now, talking about the same AI but different harness, right? So Claude Code, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Kiro, these are all different harness. AIDLC and Spec Kit are not harness. They don't touch your computer directly. They are more like a driving instructor. Sitting in a passenger seat of the harness, they tell the AI how to behave, like ask questions before you write code, write a plan first, don't skip requirements. Same car, same driver, different instructor giving different instructions. That's the whole relationship. Or simply, you can say the harness is like a phone. And AIDLC and Spec Kit are the apps which are installed on that phone. So same phone, different app. Very different experiences of using it, right? So why does this matter? Because when you pick a harness like a Claude Code or Copilot, whatever, you are not locked into one of the working. You can install AIDLC's rules today, switch to the Spec Kit tomorrow, and same harness can completely do different workflows. Understanding this is what lets you actually choose which tool to be used, right? Instead of just following whatever tutorial you saw first. So that's the whole idea. Harness carries the AI ADLC, right? And Spec Kit. It tells it how to behave once it's there. If that finally made AIDLC and Spec Kit click for you, that's exactly what this is. So in Let's Talk series, it is for next one. We actually install both, and I should show you how a real AI built feature looks like, start to finish. So subscribe and so that you don't miss what is coming next, which is AIDLC, since you have already understood what harness is all about. Looking forward for the next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye for now until we meet about regarding our next episode, which will be on AIDLC. And I hope you understood what harness is all about. And since you've understood harness, you'll be better understanding what AIDLC, which we'll talk about it in the next series. So stay tuned. Until then, signing off. Thank you.